Imagine holding something so perfect that it feels like it belongs in a museum. Every detail matters, because the velvet is not just padding, but a throne for this masterpiece. The mahogany crate tells a story before anyone even lifts the lid, to show this product is built to last and made from finest materials. When the velvet fits perfectly, you know the product inside was handled with care, to show the packaging process is done by skilled hands. Light loves this horn because every angle shows something new, to show this product is photogenic and designed to impress. An inspector checks every inch, and if they find one tiny scratch, the whole horn gets rebuilt to show quality control is strict and only perfect products ship. This crate is heading to Dubai, where only the finest luxury items are accepted, to show this product is for wealthy clients in exclusive locations. 94% of luxury buyers say unboxing determines whether they reorder. Then this horn traveled from raw bone to hand buttons. But how does raw bone and wood become this? To make viewers understand, in the next 8 minutes, watch every one of those 11 finishing steps to show the raw materials are humble, but the finished product is extraordinary. Mahogany trees grow in the forests of Central America, and they take decades to mature, to show the wood comes from ancient, slow-growing trees that are precious.
Only the best trees are chosen, because the wood must be straight and strong, to show the wood is selected carefully from the forest.
Logs travel hundreds of miles to reach the processing mill, to show getting the wood to the factory is a journey. The bone comes from cattle raised on American ranches, and after the animal is processed for meat, the bone is saved to show it uses materials that would otherwise be wasted. Bones are cleaned and cut to size before shipping to the factory, to show the bone must be prepared before it becomes a horn. Logs are cut into boards, because one tree becomes many crates, to show the wood is processed into usable boards for the packaging. Finally, the materials arrive at the factory in the USA, ready to become something extraordinary.
This is where it happens, because in this factory, raw wood and bone become luxury horns.
First stage bone is bathed in a special solution to remove all oils and impurities, to show the bone must be perfectly clean before shaping. Then the bone dries for 24 hours, because any moisture could cause cracking later, to show patience is needed and rushing ruins quality.
Stage 2, the bone is roughly cut into the basic horn shape, to show the horn is born from a single rough cut.
The shape is there, but it is rough, uneven, and needs a lot of work, to show the journey from rough to refined has just begun. Stage 3, detailed carving, because every line is cut by hand for precision, to show hand carving makes each horn unique. These carvings are inspired by classical designs, because each one tells a story, to show the horn is becoming a work of art. Stage 4, coarse sandpaper removes the rough edges to show smoothing takes time and effort. Then fine sandpaper makes the surface silky smooth to the touch, to show details make the difference between good and great. Only when it feels like glass does it move to the next stage, to show quality is felt and not just seen. Stage 5, the mahogany base is cut to perfectly fit the horn, to show the base is made from the finest mahogany. The base is sanded to match the horn's smoothness, to show everything must be perfectly matched. Stage 6, the horn and base come together as one piece to show the assembly must be absolutely perfect. There should be no gap because the horn and base should look like one piece of material. To show assembly requires incredible precision. Stage 7, the surface is cleaned to perfection because any dust would ruin the plating. To show preparation is key to a perfect finish. A primer helps the gold plating stick perfectly, to show gold plating does not just go on, because it needs preparation.
Stage 8, the horn enters the gold plating tank because electricity and gold ions bond to the surface to show science turns ordinary bone into gold.
It emerges golden, transformed from bone to luxury, to show the transformation is complete, where bone becomes gold. The plating must be perfectly even, with no thin spots and no bubbles, to show quality control continues at every step. Stage 9, buffing, brings out the high gloss shine, to show the gold must be polished to perfection. The The finish is so perfect and you can see your reflection in it, and to show the quality is astonishing because every detail reflects. Any micro scratch means going back to buffing to show perfection is the only acceptable standard. Stage 10, a clear lacquer coat protects the gold and adds depth to show. Protection is just as important as beauty. The lacquer dries for hours because this makes the horn durable and long-lasting. To show quality takes time, and rushing ruins everything.
If the lacquer feels rough, it gets resanded and resprayed to show nothing leaves the factory unless it is perfect.
Stage 11, the final hand polish, because this is the last touch before inspection. To show the final polish makes the horn truly magnificent. Now the horn is ready because it has completed all 11 stages of finishing to show the transformation is complete, from bone to masterpiece. Inspection point 1, visual check, because any scratch means the horn is rebuilt to show quality control is strict and unforgiving. Inspection point 2, touch, because if it feels rough or uneven, it is rejected to show. The horn must feel as perfect as it looks. Inspection point 3, structural, because the horn must be solid and secure to show the horn is built to last, with no weak points allowed.
Each mahogany box is hand-assembled to hold the horn perfectly, to show the packaging is made with the same care as the product.
The velvet lining is cut and pressed by hand because it protects the horn from any movement, to show the packaging protects the horn like a treasure.
Every corner is pressed tight, with no wrinkles allowed to show even the smallest detail matters. The horn rests on black satin ready for its final journey to show this is what the customer will see, which is perfection. When the lid opens in a showroom, the packaging speaks before the product does to show the closing sound is the sound of luxury.
One flaw missed here, like a micro scratch or a loose joint or an uneven lacquer line, and a client in Dubai returns the entire crate to show quality control ensures that never happens.
The crate is wrapped to survive any journey, to show the product will arrive in perfect condition. Now the horn begins its journey to Dubai, to show the product is on its way to the customer. From factory to showroom, which is the journey of a lifetime, to show the horn will make someone very happy. The horn arrives in Dubai, where it belongs, to show the product has reached its final destination.
Everything has led to this moment, because this is what unboxing feels like. To show the unboxing experience is unforgettable.
From bone to gold, and from factory to showroom, because this is the final polish.
Every frame in this video is handcrafted from concept to final edit. A real human guides every step using AI tools. All content is original and follows YouTube 2026 monetization rules.